Breast reduction surgery is one of the most popular procedures performed at aesthetic surgical images. Unfortunately, with the advent of the Affordable Care Act, many insurance companies no longer cover this procedure. At Aesthetic Surgical Images, we feel that patients continue to benefit from this procedure even when it's performed as a cosmetic procedure. Most patients who present for evaluation and treatment of breast hypertrophy complain of back pain, neck pain, which is frequently associated with headaches, shoulder pain that's associated with indentations in the bra strap region, and numbness on the inner aspects of the arms. They also oftentimes have difficulty with pain within the breast and areas of breakdown and chafing beneath the folds of the breast. Many of these patients have decreased exercise tolerance and have to give up activities that they historically enjoy, and as a result of this, they oftentimes gain weight elsewhere. They have difficulty finding clothes that fit, and this adversely impacts their self-esteem and their self-image. In short, this is a disabling condition, and as a result, correction of the problem tends to be a life-changing experience. The procedure typically reduces the size of the breast, it lifts the breast into normal position, and it reduces the size of the areola. Most patients are able to resume most of their normal activities within 1 to 2 weeks following surgical care. Because we feel that this is a very important surgical procedure for many women who suffer breast hypertrophy, we have put together at Aesthetic Surgical Images a cosmetic fee quote for those people who are unable to get their procedure covered by insurance. This covers the operating room, anesthesia, the surgeon's fee, and the preoperative postoperative care. If you have concerns about breast hypertrophy and your insurance company is unwilling to consider this option, it's very likely that we can provide you with an affordable alternative.